What's up everybody, Kyle here at Big Rig Chrome Shop, bringing another product spotlight. Today we're going to be checking out some of our new apparel that we have in. So first thing, we have these new flat brim snapback hats. A lot of people have been liking those, they've been a pretty huge hit. And then we also have some new options available for our sweatshirts. So if you see here, we have our classic colors. We got the yellow, the white, and the pink, which are now available in youth sizing. And then for our new ones, we have 3 new colors. So here we have the orange, then we have my personal favorite, the blue, and then last but not least, we have the gray. So these are a great gift for anybody, of any age, any size. If you'd like to check out these or any of our other available options, go ahead and go to our website at bigrigchromeshop.com, and don't forget to follow our Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Thank you.